ena mpesone na akwakohia akwakodi nkumo bi ama na akwakokyere bi egu afidi so nti osere mpanimfo ada omunya no no nkodi ni posi no nkohwe ne yere ne ma
ene COP George Alex Mensa so de atoso se won de akura ne papa na di nkomo a sabi osusu se won matwetwe ne bi ene de asi ani
ena twotwofo pane de ma ehejo bojo ndc amanyoko ne de atodwa so mayi sebe ya na ejina baya tena ya hodo no omahoode omubenya na omode edi dwuma
ene kine hwa na ejina yewura pitatobu wa west mra se badwani wo se mampani akufo ado firisa Ghana nya afa ahodie ye kama mampani a wo mo ne ho mmode a wonoa
abusia weni afufuro pinu ani akekese ne se kase ba bia wo bia na no peye ba ne de aba besomo me de ede na ya obo amali bia boga no pe mene
eja pia apam dada
ya se kase na semfan free mrase be fie mu ai mama no tua eni bi ebedi ade ncheche bo pata bebrese pasoche wo mayi mu a na yewura bugiri na abu a ene be atwa mu no ye titire ne de man pipi amanyuku no ewo esrema bonten so papa yi eja ne wo fese ne fie ena akrachefo bi kokopie ho no na nkomodidie ene kasa tintin eno okokyere bi go afidie so a woye se ode mane mampede akufo ado se egadidie mu adanse na okokache mampede akufo ado se ne ekoso ni a mampede kobusa na wakache nse ja eni tape na mede asende wono nti pani anase paso ne kokotie ne nyina ye nkomo bi na posifo mpanifo binom aba besre owura no na omo edie George Akufu dampare IGP na dwuma oya enkoye no asaso ye ndc ni mapa wakwa kosia mampede da John Dramani mama ewo kokoam ama mampede da John Dramani mama ahye ne bo so omo no na ontimi ni nkunim 2024 elections no na odofo na doma ne di nkunim a ene yakwambia so no besa ma na tena ho se IGP no aye adwuma wa bra wonkoyi na die ene adeadea na ne no na chesa kwa kopie mrase gya fie mu a mrase gya fo no hunu se ehu ede mo my god ye keb mame nkebe ene ye bambo ho nsensem eno ene didi mu a ama mpedifo ho committee so mo nkotena se na asem no mo nkofifim ene dwimu ma ba mu nhwehwe mu a ne ehunu wo mo a wo mo etachiri wo mo na etie afidie no so kasa ene ne enti a na omo eke kasa nsem no committee na hyase eye adwuma enra aposifo mpenifo no kopie committee nanim na superintendent Emmanuel Jebi eno de ato mpenifo nanim se yewura bugiri na bu no obetena ha se beka na nsem no wonim ne ba bia wonhia ne da enti obesere mpenifo ada so mo ma ne nkotena ne ba bi nkodi ne nkwi na papa ne nsem na wo keka ne de ene kwa so so kra.
Sorry, on your return from Kuforidia.
No, Mr. Chairman, I did not say that.
But you just told the committee that you called Mr. Asari on this issue.
Yes, I said I called Mr. Asari when I heard that my name had been mentioned, that I am part of the people who were arranging to meet Mr. President and the President.
So you called Mr. Asari?
That is true, Mr. Chairman.
Why did you call Mr. Asari?
When I heard that my name had been mentioned by a witness before this committee, that I was part of the people, or I was the person who has agreed to meet that witness at Afikiko to accompany him to the President. That is when I called him, and then he told me that this has never happened, and he doesn't know why my name is being brought, and that they have even been invited early on before NIB, National Investigation Bureau, and my name was never mentioned. I have not been invited, so that is why I was so surprised that all of a sudden I'm hearing that this.
Observanti we aye supo Emmanuel Jebina yete ne nka na no che no de ekwa kososo se wono no wan kan kire bugiri kese wan bugiri na bunu kura wonim no ne mpeso akwa akose ne bosan wonhia no Afrikiku anaso obra sport wo na wonfa no nkoma mpani na na dodan kwa akufu do hono mo eti sansam no so yewura bugiri na abu beka ye no no kura bia nim no mampani no ko no wai eno na kwa ne nche wo Jubilee House Superintendent Emmanuel Jebi ehososo ni
your earlier statement that the numbers that were recorded on your phone on the day of the funeral you attended in Koforidua, those missed calls were not marked as in, in terms of having the names appearing against the numbers. Is that your argument?
That is true, Mr. Chairman.
Follow-up question here. Go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, when Chief Nabu appeared, he made an emphatic statement before this committee that he is a chief and he doesn't lie. Now, he indicated that even on that Sunday, you had agreed to go to the president with him, but later said you should go and then you meet him. Are you saying that that is not true?
That is not true, Mr. Chairman.
Observe way a supu Emmanuel Jebi any attaining king.
Eja Emmanuel Jebi dear, Sabio, Wanya and Tumsa, one papa din como. Na COP George Alex Mensa, and so the true jasa, a woman say, one you were a bugri nebu abon como pen, and so a kama as some coma womudi, you know. Dear one mobile boy, any dear, one much trebi pan, a DSC, and as a woman posano. Na a query no, COP Alex Mensa, George, Esan Busa say, Sabio, and Neno Kra, one mobono, woman and hene. Ena titrenia wada abajukuna no edi tudwasa ndie wo mu empanimfo sabi wontimi ntutuano ma homfa mekere wo musa no ma beni na ekwawie na eja George Mensa edi tudwa chese ewom se wone eja bugiri na ebu abon komode na nso nkomo no kura no na mfa se bia wo munyi IGP mfiri na konwa so na ye saa aba wo mkokoto no wasen no afu yi ho nkomo kura ena na wo mobo na sei na ode to badwaku nanim.
You deny the conversation in which you speak and Chief Bukrinabu also speaks, and then you speak and Chief Bukrinabu speaks. You deny this flow of this conversation. The chairman. As I said, I hear a voice that represents my voice, but I can't accept everything in the conversation. See, I want to be.
Yes, and Isaac Ishranema or say, need ye, as a meba asumesi ne nso enwini de ye obentin enwi say bi pepepe ena na ye ready to dwa na emu no ode to dwa che se sabio ye wura kufu dampare no ne dwumadi a wodie ne anamon bi a wotu no emwa posi sadom no kura na ubusa firi soro besi nkoda no kura so a won beka ne prenye premfa na no nso sei ne wo kirem.
Well, it's something I will not run away from. I will say it everywhere, anywhere that I go. And you can do your own investigations, call police officers at the ground and find out from them. Calm down. Can you assess this committee? You see, within the context of your statement, it has to do with elections. So let's do some quick analysis of his conduct relative to elections. Has he evinced a level of unprofessionalism when it comes to the policing of elections, to the best of your knowledge? Because you spoke within the context of the conduct of elections. My concern was and is that as we speak, majority of police officers are not happy. And if these same people are those who are going to police the elections.
Eno Chief Supu Commander ya ono anso police no okwa we commissioner ye friend COP Alex George Mensa ena na wo kyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm no wie wa mananso hɔ ena wo san de to aso kyerɛ sɛbio sɛde wɔn mo keka sɛ gyama ne papa ne te ado anwoma so no kure bia nim na mmom sɛ etuamu a wɔbɛka sɛ etuamu ɛnya de a wɔde besie na sɛbio sɛde wosi bɔ na adwuma no ɛba posi sadon na adwuma sɛde wosi san wɔn hwene so na ɛnyɛ saa na papa no ɛyɛ no na mmom ado anwoma pa deɛ wɔn ne nto so no kure ɛna wɔka ɛde akyerɛ committee no.
Is there bad blood between yourself and the IGP, your current boss?
The chairman, as I sit here, I don't have any bad blood. What I do is I speak my mind whether you like it or not. You're my boss, and you do what I don't like, I'll tell you. You can decide to hate me for that. That is your matter. But I don't have to be part of that. So.
Commissioner of Police George Alex Mensah ene ate ye no so ndie na adwene nya de odi besie ade ha no a obeka ne plane won fa hunta enti yewura kufu dampare wone ne haubia anase problem bia ene no so wo kire committee
abuzafo na ansa no mo bedi nkomo no ababeg bobon sansem we so no na omodika twemanso ansa ene se COP George Alex Mensah abuzafo yete ne nken wo de lawyer fo kuku dam yiru ne koye lawyer Owusu Boaten ene lawyer Kwaku Owusu Ajiman wo de omo ekubsia committee na ombese nkomo na se no na lawyer fo ne ba se miru anom yi ye besere mu ada se endidie mu ene no a mo ba be body a kire no munya no wo he enka mo chie se bia somasi ana so benten na de brɛ mu a enka beboa yen ame yesoso no yetimi edi nkomo no na yehunu sane nkomo no ye de befa na ye di akwakosi ma eye titirani a na ote committee ne so lawyer Samuel Kofi Atachia e de to lawyer fo no mienu anim se wo mo ye mpanimfo wo mo adwuma no so a wo mo eba be ne se bia wo mo na eba be kire se yentia somasi ana se wei yenyina adwuma mfiri ne nsam na yemfa wei nkoba emfa wei nkosi ya bia ni wo mo de yemfisi mu a ebeboa magane ye kebma menkebi no atumpon wadwuma ene wo no ba be nye se bia wo mo eba be ye adwuma mebekwa akowia se no obi adwuma ekwa akobone no akire ene wo sa so de ba be hweso se wo mo kra wo mo behi empanimfa nka nkire wo num kwasi brene kan se wo mo terms of reference adwuma no wo mo ba be ye ne fare by pa ene de bekwa akowia ni nyina lawyer Kofi Atachia ebu asem ne sei
and all forms of it. They should also listen carefully. Raise an objection if you believe that a question being fired from a member is self-incriminating. Do that. We'll give you the space to confer with your clients even before they answer questions. You have all the opportunity to do what is you know best to do. I don't have to tell you. But trust me, this committee will never shortchange I mean, the officers here. Not when I'm here. They will never be shortchanged. Nobody will mess up with their career by what we cook, because we are not interested in cooking anything against somebody. We will never do it as a committee. It's the bare raw facts that we'll put together and bring it to the House floor.
Observe we titirani a wote committee ni so lawyer Samuel Kofi Atachia wa yemrasebe geni o mrasebe gefie ma desia e wachem ebuakwa.
Honorable Peter Lancheni Tobu wa West mrasebe geni na papa ya kasa amansa ntwerofo nso afabi na se ma odi tudwa nyina ne se be firi se Ghana manyi enya afa hode firi kwasikoko nsam se wono eyi aman panimfo a wo ma ba besene ko bra na ni bie ma yempo edi besin na wode mampani akufo ado etoto wo mo ho anka wan logo line won na weto okra wo mo ne ho modern na sansemi nyina wode betu dwa bra na yewura alan kwayo kire manten wo sha se ebo ne ntoa ensam hodo bi ode tu dwa che se de mampani akufo ado ayo wato so se yefie ne wo se na nka foundation wo abo a wono ba beto so kra si na bro sign wo che se a mampani no ba ne wonye bibia mofra nyina di adanse se de wo yo no enkoye na enkaidum bie ne hokura wo mde be kai mampani na sansemi ho a wo kasa no che se egu nipa ni mu ase pa empo wo mo nam ne yebodin se wo mo ye Ghana fo no wo mampani ne na danko akufo ado a na wo mo afere wo ntiri mu se poto ni nyina ye se papa no adwuma pa efre na adwuma wonye adwuma bi a Ghana fo ede be kai no yewura Peter Tobu e kan ne se kire yensa ntwerofo.
He was a part of the solid team, the team that messed us up. I think his vision is actually the one that gave him out. He said he wants to build a huge superstructure on the successes of the Akufo-Addo administration. And that is a failure. You know why? The President Akufo-Addo's administration has left a legacy of disappointment. There is no structure for you to build a superstructure on. What President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo is leaving for this country is disappointment, disgrace, embarrassment, and the worst of all. Look, history has shown that he is going to go down history as the worst president in our entire history from 1957 today. And he knows that. And you want to come and build a superstructure on such a failed foundation?
Yewra Peter Tobu ya wa West Mra Sebedwani na wede wankasa showdown wo wasi go down cha Sompa kwata eno mampeni se de wosi esusu no
na chochofo penny de ma jobojo eyezu eyeza ide bi keke ndc amanyuko ni Yewra 50 fiagbe kote na ode atoja so omayi se be ya na ejina atraya hodo te se ne omayi mo ye wo Ghana Journalists Association na nsantwefo ye de ho a ye adwuma wa bra obi ampopo na ningu yeso obi ehunahuna yen obi antata yen ne ye adwuma asem ne se yetuntum ye se yetuntum se efita so a o se efita won kodwene sa asemi me ko ken ebe kwa ko wiase na ja o tetetete hwehwe ne ti ko hwehwe na betinom Yewra fifi kwete ne dom ekosra Ghana Journalists Association sentwefo yekuba tan kese empenimfo wa krapompene mantemo and o de sansemi etompenimfo anim.
We however feel that there are concerns that need to be addressed. And those concerns have to do with sad instances where there seems to be a desire to return to a culture where institutions increasingly become almost like appendages of a political party or of especially a ruling party. We think we need to work towards ensuring that we do not have that happening anymore.
Na abusuafo enwa chechwachofo penny demand is amanyuko anu si ya na nsamchefo so ye penny mpa GJ President Albert Jomfo so edekakra so se wo besre se mu politicians MPP ni NDC yeah gisensem dwedi ankamasem asomasi dia wampe asem asomasi dia wataye asomasi dia se ne osise kire onya asem a na so afa akonya atena so no na asemo mi no musia ne ba bia ya na mo papa nani so se ne kamera na mo jahwe form record asoso na mo tietia so sa de no ya munyai na emfata mo se mo ja sa de no a eno so bebo amansantwefo adwuma yi etimenya kukuduru e de aye.
We are much concerned about attacks on journalists. Very, very key. Something I was expecting you to touch on as a leader of the largest opposition party in the country. Attacks on journalists by politicians and assigns of government has been very rampant.
Observer Yewra Albert Jomfo ye Ghana Journalists Association titnani.
Yewra ebobo sumi no mu a kama ese oba Ghana mamu dia afa ba bia afa sha kese ene wo ho sa na okuapem mamu nso odwira fa hye no wono be hye pa anya asemwa enam sa ayeso ma wo mapa eho ntama ada ne madi se de wo mbesi ayo no ofira sha se kokosi na wiye ne de wo satimamufo nyina nso yo de ta sa afa hye yachi na enum no ena okuapem hene wose ade yekosi akufu ya otoso miensa wono ne chief of staff lawyer George Aduyobo aja yobo edifiri nananom anum ena wo kasai se nananom se afi nya de wo mbe so so sabio ahonfa bone bia so de frefra akono bone na ebewie no ebekwa akwatwetwe mpere wanyensan mo ene HIV yaremfo ede no aba wo mpotamu nti wo abefa ho a wamfa ho ye wo mbe mamra no edi usede ese na efata na Yewra Aduyobo ede sansemi tudwa na yensa ntwerofo nso gina mu bia won mo fa bi ede ma yen
individuals and discover unique offerings and support the growth of our community. Ladies and gentlemen, Udra continues to prioritize the health and safety of attendees. We shall strictly adhere to local health guidelines and implement necessary precautions to provide a safe environment for everyone. While we welcome all to the Udra 2023, we wish to caution that Nananum would not countenance any indecent exposure by way of dressing, and we shall ensure that inappropriate dress codes are not paraded on our corridors and on our streets. I think that again. While we welcome all to the Udra 2023, we wish to caution that Nananum would not countenance any indecent exposure by way of dresses.
Lawyer Aduyobo no wono ena wakasa edema okuapem hene osi ade yokwesi akufu ya otodo abasa ɛna wote sɛ wɔkyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm mu fa afei afa hyɛ sɛ bio wokɔfa ho afabɔne bia na wɔn bɛma amammerɛ mmerɛ ɛwɔ mu no adiw.
Observe ye jina we suna no pay and some papa no de best someone ye de mosia ne sorry ama ade ache bia dwumadi aba betwa eso meden ede na ya bo amale bia boga no pay mene
ajapia apam dada.
Observe ya dama se ma monity ne hwa enya do kuku na chinchin fidie ne de ma yen yesem for penny ene yewra asante ye bo Benedict no pay ya mamachi.